Recently, we have added an AI assistant to our platform. So now you can see on the left down corner of your screen, there is an AI assistant ready to help and support you with several inquiries. You can either ask him how the platform works. You can ask him for help to find the right tutor for you, or you can have a technical issue as well with the website, for instance, and the AI assistant is ready to help you with that. On every page, you can see that AI assistant is ready to help with different, let's say, issues. And for instance, if you click on the blog article, you can see the content itself. You can scroll a little bit down. And let's imagine you would like to have a brief summary of the article without going too much into detail and reading the entire article yourself. You can basically see that AI assistant is ready to support you with that. And a suggestion already now is to summarize this article for you. So for instance, I click on that and the AI assistant starts working. Now you see it's finished. The AI assistant can understand the content and the background of your inquiry, of your question. It can see and know on which page are you currently on. And as you can see, here is the summary of the article. So you can see the article is about the MATLAB-based human pose estimation simulator. So you can see all the summary details of the article without reading the entire article yourself, spending too much time on that. And of course, you can ask the clarification question. For instance, is the skeleton animation included in the article? And as you can see, you have the reply on your question already arrived. So in that way, you can also rate the question, or rather the answer from the AI assistant from the MeowL chat. So you can say, okay, that was helpful, or no, that was not helpful at all. So maybe basically if you rate the answer as not helpful, you can provide a feedback, or you can contact the human right away. A real human will pick up on that and will continue the conversation. So if you are not satisfied with the AI assistant replies, then you can get connected to the human and continue the chat with a human, with a platform member from WiredWhite. For instance, if you're on the partners page and you're looking for a special skill or special skill set or special partner to support you with your project, you can ask AI assistant for help. So basically, you can ask him, please help me find the right partner with MATLAB skills. And as you can see, here you have your suggestions, your replies from the MeowL chat. So if you're a little bit overwhelmed with the filtering that we have here, or with the way how to find the right partner, you can ask for the help. You can raise a question in the AI assistant chat, chatting with MeowL and asking him to help to find the right partner, and you see his replies. So he has a couple of suggestions according to your budget. You can select any one of these tutors. You can basically see also the basic ratings. You can basically see the expert skills of each partner. So you can click, for instance, on one of the suggested tutors and see his profile. You can see his competencies. You can see that he has an intermediate experience with MATLAB and Simulink, and a robotics expert, expert in automation. You can read through the description of skills. And if you're convinced that this might be a right choice for you, you can book a free consultation call with that partner and go ahead with that. So as you can see, this is a pretty useful feature, AI assistant, MeowL chat, that you can use for any of your questions, any of your inquiries. And this is absolutely a supportive tool, supportive instrument for you to go ahead to move forward as quick as you want. It accelerates your experience with the platform. It accelerates your learning, and it makes the whole thing more efficient.